Good evening from the Arizona desert. My name is Tom and I'm coming to you from Phoenix, Arizona. And this is the daily DoorDash numbers from the desert. Well, tonight I was going at a really good pace and I had a slight pause and I did a slight decline on my seat and closed my eyes, set some alarms, and I guess I missed an order, slept past 35 minutes, and it ended my dash. As you can see up in the upper right hand corner, 9:41, I had 35 minutes prior to that, so about 9 o'clock. I had another 3 hours or $60 left on the table. I was going at a really good pace and hopefully gonna be up in the 380s and maybe even catch a 400 today. But because of a bunch of things that are going on, which I will disclose in another video, I'm just a little overwhelmed. And so I believe I suffer from depression. I don't believe in taking medications for any of that type of stuff, and medications and driving is just not a good combination. But as a result, I go through a lot of highs and lows. Not like bipolar or anything like that, but just a lot of stress. Just a lot of stress. So as you can see, we did 323.66. I did a total of 34 deliveries. Started at around 6 o'clock, ended at 9:41. This is a screenshot just so that I could keep track of where I'm at, with my videos. So going over and looking at all the rest of the ratings, currently our ratings were still in the contract violation, hasn't been pushed out yet, only because I've been putting in a partial day. Acceptance rating 89, that's because of the missed order, dropped it down. 100% completion, 100 on time, 5.0 customer rating, and now we're down to 951 as far as our 30-day, and a total of 47,293 for lifetime deliveries. So we'll go on over here into the earnings real quick. You can see currently we're at 999.57. Already did 111 deliveries. So we're going to go ahead and go back. We're going to cash out and cash out with fast pay. See, the money's still there. I've left it in there. Put that in our account so that we can start applying this stuff to the debt snowball from Dave Ramsey. So with that, we're going to go back to the beginning and we're going to create a couple more videos before we start our day and get these out to you guys. I apologize for not doing the updates and leaving you hanging. But even the YouTube is putting on a little bit of stress, although that is self-induced. So with that, I'm going to say ciao. I hope you guys are doing well. Check in.